Trigonometry. How to obtain the value of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec in a triangle. For this, let us draw a right angle triangle. Here I have drawn a right angle triangle ABC, where ABC are the three vertices. Angle BAC is equal to alpha, we have assumed it. Angle BCA is equal to theta. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. AB is equal to perpendicular, which is indicated by small p. BC is the base B. AC is the hypotenuse, which is H. Now the different values of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec can be obtained as follow. In the above triangle, for the angle theta, sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here we see that AB is the perpendicular, which is equal to P, and AC is the hypotenuse, which is equal to H. So it is written P by H. Now for cos theta, it is base by hypotenuse. So here base is B, hypotenuse is H, so it is B by H. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, so it is written P by B. Cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular. Here base is B, perpendicular is P, so it is written B by P. Now sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base. Here hypotenuse is H and base is B. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular, which is H by P. Again, let us draw the same triangle ABC, the same position of the angle theta alpha, and AB is equal to P, BC is equal to B, AC is equal to C. The same above triangle is drawn again. Now we will obtain the different value of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot for the angle alpha. For angle alpha, its opposite is its perpendicular and other side is the base. So in the triangle ABC, for the angle alpha, its perpendicular is BC, which is equal to B, and its base is AB, which is equal to small p. So here perpendicular is equal to B, base is equal to P, and hypotenuse is equal to H. Now sine alpha is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here we see that BC is equal to B is the perpendicular, so it is written B in place of perpendicular, and hypotenuse is H. Now cos alpha is base by hypotenuse. Here base is P, hypotenuse is H, so it is written P by H. Tan alpha is equal to perpendicular by base. Here perpendicular is B and base is P. Similarly, cot alpha is equal to base by perpendicular. Here base is P and perpendicular is B. Sec alpha is equal to hypotenuse by base, H by P. Cosec alpha is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular, H by B. So in this way we will obtain the different values.